Hello traders, and thank you for choosing Money Alpha. Today's video, we're going to talk about how was buying stocks 20 years ago and how is it today. I'm going to show you the stock market and I'm going to teach you how you can buy stocks yourself no matter how much money you have. Let's begin. So 20 years ago, before the internet was a big thing, if you wanted to buy shares of a company, you'd go to the bank and you tell them about which company you're interested in. Then the bank goes to the broker, and the broker will access the stock market, and then they will purchase the company that you mentioned. And the broker goes back to the bank, then back to the you, and everybody collects their commission and fees along the route. It was a very slow and expensive process. 20 years later, thanks to the internet, brokers are now working directly with you, with the customer. And you can access their platform, you make an account, you fund it, and they give you access to the stock market. And they collect pennies when it comes to commission and fees rather than how it was 20 years ago. Because of that, it's been a game-changing industry for the stock trading industry, and that's what caused it to grow in popularity in the past 10 years, I would say. So right now, we're accessing the market through a broker called Robinhood.com. There is nothing stopping you from going right now to Robinhood.com, creating an account. What's beautiful about trading is you don't need no fancy license, no fancy requirements, nothing. All you have to do is open an account, fund it, and you can have access to the stock market. Robinhood, we don't hear use it much. However, it's a very good user-friendly broker and it's good for starters. I highly recommend it. So let's break things down real quick. On the right-hand side of your screen, you notice that we have something called the watch list. Think of it as our shopping cart, all the stocks that we have an eye on. As you can see, this is, as a lot of companies, this is Best Buy, this is Robinhood, this is the new car, Lucid, this is Coin, this is eBay, Check, Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Starbucks, Google, Alibaba, Bank of America, Disney, Netflix, and so on. All brokers serve the same purpose, just have different way of doing it. All brokers will have a watch list, all brokers have a ticker search bar, all brokers have a way of buying and selling stocks. They just do it in their own way, and Robinhood, I would say, is definitely one of the simplest ones out there. So if you want to search for a company, and I'm going to say a popular company that everybody knows, I'm going to say Apple. Simply type in the word Apple and it tells me you mean Apple or Apple Hospitality. I'm talking about Apple, the phone company. And if you ever want to confirm that you selected the right company, you can simply go to the about and read the about this company. Smartphones, computer, tablets, sounds about right. Now, if you want to own a share, just one share of Apple, it'll cost you $189.90. That's it. This is how much it will take you to become an owner of Apple. And this gives you the chart of how it's been moving lately. And these are just changes as you see on the left top corner. This is how it looks like in 1 week, 1 month. So if 1 month ago you bought Apple at 166.8, you'll make the difference amount of money per share. You'll make $18.62. That's starting from here. 3 months ago, year to date, 1 year, 5 year, and so on. Okay, so if you bought Apple on November 3rd, 2018 for $44.65, you would have made $142 per one share. How do I buy shares of Apple? You go to the right-hand side of the screen where it says Buy Apple. And we're going to select on order type. We're going to select on buy order. We're going to buy in shares. And we're going to put the amount of shares we're interested in. Let's say we are interested in buying 100 shares of Apple. So if you want to buy 100 shares of Apple, it will cost you, I'm going to round it to $19,000. If you decided to buy at the market price of $189.90, you simply click review order and you become an owner of Apple, and they'll send you an email and the settings will change on your screen. Let's say $189.90 is too much for you and you cannot afford it. What you can do is simple. You can click on dollars, and let's say all you have is $50. Tell you for $50 you can buy around 0.26 shares of Apple. So you can also buy it in dollar value. If we scroll down here, notice the About section. I'm also going to give us the T statistics. It gives us all information like the CEO, number of employees, headquarters, when it was founded, and key statistics like market capital, what's the highest of today, what's the highest of the past 52 weeks, and so on. Just all information. You can search up any ticker you like. Think of any popular company, even cars, BMW. If you love that car so much you want to be an investor, you can. If you ever want to confirm that you searched for the right ticker, just read the About. Automobile, motorcycle, operates the following business. Sounds about right. Now, the reason why I bring this point up again is you notice that there's a BMW YY and there's BMW. What does this mean? I'm going to explain it talking about Tesla. See, I searched for TSLA, yet Tesla also came up. TSLA is the symbol of code for trading for Tesla. We call it ticker symbol. Ticker symbol is just a shortcut way for searching the word Tesla. So let's say Microsoft. If I don't know what Microsoft code is, so I'll just write micro. It pops up right here, Microsoft MSFT. So if I want to also find Microsoft, I can just write MSFT and bam, Microsoft comes up. If you want to be an owner of Microsoft, it'll cost you $377.41 today. And you can do the same thing you did with Apple, buy order, buy in the amount of dollars or shares, review order, and you become an owner of Microsoft. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you guys learned how you guys can access the stock market, how you guys can buy shares, and what makes it different from today and 20 years ago. If you have any questions and there's still things that are unclear for you, I recommend watch the video 1 or 2 times. And there's still things you're still not clear about, please send us an email. And if you're a member, we'll give you a one-on-one Zoom session to help explain things for you. Other than that, this is all for education purposes. This does not mean right now you should go buy Microsoft. It doesn't mean right now you should go buy Apple. This is what's done for the sake of education. Thank you guys so much.